Sir, I think so you're mute, sir.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah. So I just created a one package. Under that package, I have created one more class. The class inside I am first creating the collection without generics. Okay, without generics I am creating. So let's see what is the syntax interface. So reference object equal to new, so class, right? The implemented class of that. So now list is our interface, and AL equal to new array list, right? So array list. So I am not putting any generics. So I'm creating without generics. List, you import the list class. So list is an interface you import from java.util package, java.util.arraylist. Now, see, you find out the size. So you find out the size. Okay, what is the size of array list? AL size is. So now there is no elements, you will get size method. So AL elements, just print collection directly, it will print. So now you see, now we don't have any elements. That's why you'll get a 0 here size and empty array square brackets you will see. So let's execute this. See, you got a size 0 and AL elements are empty. So you don't have any elements here. Okay. Next, now I want to insert element, right? I will insert one element. Okay. So I can use add method. Add, so object element, right? So object element, what it will do? Insert an element into the collection. So what is our collection name? AL is our collection name. So this is an interface that reference variable is pointing to the implemented class object. So this is the runtime polymorphism concept. Okay, runtime polymorphism. So overriding the methods in the class, right? All the list methods overridden in the array list class. So method overriding is called, that's a runtime polymorphism. There are other classes also, new linked list you can create, new vector you can create, but which object you created, based on that class logic you will get for the same methods. That is this runtime polymorphism or method overriding means. So now I want to insert add method. So AL dot add method. See, there is a add method, two methods are there, object E and int index comma object element. Basically, so these are the two methods we have. An add all also two. One is index based, one is without index based. So these are the methods. We will try both of them. First I took this one. So let me add the element. So I'm going to add Java. Okay. See, I didn't specify here my generic type. If you don't specify what is the data type of this collection, if you don't specify the data type, so what will be the data type?
List.
What is the data type of collection if you don't specify the generic?
List only, sir.
List. No. It's not list. I have explained in one of the topic. So it's going to be object. If you don't know the data type of anything, so by default object is the data type. So object will act as a data type for anything that if you don't know the data type of that. So now object, you are storing all the objects here. So next I am going to store another one, add int index object element. So what it will do? Insert the element at a given position. So I am adding, see, AL is my collection name, dot add. So I am taking this one, I am putting this in the 0 position. I am putting so Boolean value. Boolean object I am keeping there. Boolean object I am keeping there. Now, so I have used both the methods. Now we want to print, let's print it. So now how many elements are there? So after add method, after add method, see AL size after add is 2, AL elements after add is true Java. See first insertion order. Sir, you inserted Java, but why it came true? So always array list works based on the what? Array list works based on the index. Index based, because array list internally uses the array concept. It stores the elements in the index based. So now you pushed this, even though you inserted in the second place. So after this, but you are forcefully telling, okay, in the 0, now 0 position, this one is there. But what I am doing here, I am enforcing true will be in the 0 position, and then shifting will takes place and move this to second place. That's what happened here. So first place this true, second place Java. Clear? Now I want to use add all method. So add all method, what it will do? So add all method, what it will do? Inserts a collection of elements. Collection of elements it will insert. So collection of elements it will insert. So inserts the collection of elements. Inserts the collection of elements. So AL dot add all. So how can we add a collection of elements? So you have to say, so the two ways you can insert. One is list dot of, so you can see all the elements you can add. See, of element 1, element 2, element 1, element, like that you can add n number of elements like that. So this is the one option. I am showing you both of, one more I will show you in another method, index based method. So list dot of, and you can add all the elements. So I'll see, I'm going to add 25. I'm going to add, so I'm going to add 35.54. I'm going to add So Python, I'm going to add Java. So you have already Java. Again, I entered one more. Now what will happen? So already you added true Java. This is your collection now. So you are adding a bunch of elements, collection of elements you are adding to the same collection. What will happen? What will happen now? They will add in the front or they will add in the end? Where it will add?
Front only, sir.
Front. Okay, one answer. What about others?
It remove at comes again, sir. First back, no, sir, back, sir. First 25, 35, 54 it prints, sir.
Already you are not catching. Already your collection this
Oh,
AL
yes, yes, sir. Correct,
having
only front only, sir.
two
Oh,
are
yes, sir.
Java already there in this AL. Now you are entering another bunch of elements. Where they will add? They will add here or they will add here or they will add in the middle. Where they will add? What about others? Hmm? Others means nobody is there, only Monica? Only Monica is there in the class, huh? All are sleeping or enjoying? Other
Can you
people.
hear me?
25, 35, 52 after true and Java it's prints, sir. Correct
Sir,
only, means, sir.
actually, the true and Java, it is always first position because we mentioned that is a zeroth position. So it will come in first position, sir. And the next one, it will print in after that.
Where next position, which one will print?
Back after Java.
Yeah,
After
after
Java?
Okay.
After Java, which one will come? First this will come or this will come or what is that? This will come or this will come after this Java?
Java, no, sir. Du list after duplicates is not allowed list. Java, it's 25, 35, 54. It's prints, sir.
So after Java it will print. Huh? That's what your answer? Bhargav, what is your answer?
The process part
25,
is
35,
through
50.
Java 25, 35, 54, Python and Java, sir.
Where it will print? That's the question you're not answering.
Sir, after Java, sir, true Java and after 25 value print and 35 value print and 54 value print and then
Okay.
I
Python
think
and Java
so.
print, sir.
So this is basically you are just appending add all will just
Will
whatever you give here that will go and join with this and after
with
whatever
this
till here after that only it will add. It
that
won't be in the
bad.
front and it won't be here because you are not putting any index here. You are directly giving the elements. All these elements will go and append there only after last. So whatever the current elements are there after last element only they will keep adding. Not in the middle, not in the front. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Notes here. Now see the add all method. What is the size? Add all method. What is the so this thing. So now execute. See now what is the total size you will get? 6 elements.
6.
And all elements are printed, you can see. See now I proved list contains duplicate elements. List
Set not
contains
contain not
duplicate elements and set
duplicate
contains
elements.
the
Set contains not duplicate elements.
so set won't return even though if you enter also it won't
There
return.
also written.
Okay. Now another method. 25, 35, 54, Python and Java. Where it will print? That is the question. 25, 35, 54, Python and Java. Where it will print? 25, 35, 54, Python and Java. Where it will print? 25, 35, 54, Python and Java. Where it will print? 25, 35, 54, Python and Java. Where it will print? 25, 35, 54, Python and Java. Where it will print? 25, 35, 54, Python and Java. Where it will print? 25, 35, 54, Python and Java. Where it will print? 25, 35, 54, Python and Java. Where it will print? 25, 35, 54, Python and Java. Where it will print? 25, 35, 54, Python and Java. Where it will print? 25, 35, 54, Python and Java. Where it will print? 25, 35, 54, Python and Java. Where it will print? 25, 35, 54, Python and Java. W So remove method. So remove method, what it will do? It removes the given element
Elements
from the
start
collection. So, but make sure that element is there. If element is not there, it won't remove. So al dot remove, al dot remove. So you can mention the element. See here again, remove also. You have index based, you have object element. See, this will return a boolean and this will return an object. So I'll remove this with the index based. So I am removing 0 position 1. Now what will happen?
True will
It
remove.
will be removed, sir.
So first position, whatever is there, that will be removed.
Will be removed.
So see that? Now you'll get a Java
Java
25,
25,
35.
35.54.
Okay. So this is the how this remove method. So how many methods we explored? Size method,
Method.
add method, install method, remove method. Now let's explore remove all method.
Remove all.
So remove all method, what it will do? A collection.
Will remove the
Remove
particular
the
mentioned specified elements from the collection, sir.
So removes the specified
specified
elements
elements
From the collection.
from the collection.
from collection. That's it. So al dot remove all. You remove all when you call, always you have to specify the group of elements.
Collection.
So collection of elements. So you here we use a list dot of, right? Here we use a list dot of. Generally you can use this one, simple. Otherwise you can use one more, arrays dot as list. You can use this method also. Static method. As list is a static method. You can specify all your elements again. I want to remove 25 and I want to remove 35.54 and I want to remove Java. So now if I remove Java, so which position one it will remove? Which
First position
one
only it's 25, 35.5. Java 25, 35.5. So
now, so what is in your collection now? Can you tell me now? What is your collection?
Python and Java. So it's comes.
What about others? Guess what will be the collection name? So after this removal you are given 3 elements. But there how many elements are there? 5 elements are there. You are removing 3 elements, but here 5 elements are there. But one duplicate you are removing. But what will happen now?
So last one it will
But
print, right, sir? Because it's
Will it?
no, sir. Only Python only it's print, sir. Why? Because means index we don't know which index it is not mentioned. No, that's why Python only it prints, sir. Correct,
Now,
sir?
so that means you mean it will remove all the elements. So even the duplicate is there, it will remove that also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, absolutely correct. You are right. Because you don't know, but you're just specifying Java. So both Java will be removed. So this. So, sir, you are given 3, but it is removing 4 elements. Is that fine? Yeah, obviously duplicates all will be removed. So that's why, and you will get only size 1 and Python only will be there. Clear? Let's see that.
Yes, sir.
See?
retain all we use, right?
No, yes, sir.
Oh,
Retain,
Instead of
remove
remove.
address.
okay. We use the remove. We should use the remove. See, you have only one. Okay, so this is the how we can use remove all and that one. Okay, now what is our next step?
Clear method.
So I want to use is empty method. Okay, let's use is empty method. So still we have a lot of methods. Okay, is empty. It checks whether
it is empty or not.
your
Collection
collection
is
is empty or not.
It's empty or not.
So returns what type of data type?
Yeah. Return.
Boolean, sir.
Boolean.
Or false.
Already we have seen in the string class, right? Is empty,
Yes, sir.
is blank, all these are going to return a boolean. Remember. So these are very important things. Boolean b equal to our collection name dot is empty. It's not empty. So what you will get?
False, sir.
It's Python's.
So al
Well,
collection is empty. Is empty?
no,
No.
sure.
So you will get a B. That's
B.
the answer.
False.
3 false. False you get. Okay. Next. So we have one more method. Contains method. So contains method. So what is it will do? Object element. So it searches the given element.
Is present or not in the collection.
It searches the given element present in the collection. So al dot contains, I'm giving Python. Okay, Python is present or not, I'm searching in the al collection. So what you will get? Boolean b1 equal to al dot contains Python. Okay, so next you will see. So al contains, so you can write al contains Python or not. B1, right? See, it's a true. So al contains Python. Yes, true.
Sir, contains all means we can search multiple elements from the collection, right?
That is contains all.
Yes, sir.
Contains
Contains all. Yes, sir.
one. Contains you can search only one.
Okay.
Contains all, you can search a collection of elements.
Okay.
So another one is so equals method. Al dot, there is a get method, get of 0 dot equals method is equal to Python.
No, sir.
Yes,
False.
sir. Yes, sir. We have only one element in the collection, that is the Python. So it will return
This
true.
is the one, right? Why?
Okay. Sorry, sir. I start zero means I went
Zero.
first only.
0 means the get, no, collection elements you cannot get directly. How can you get? Using get method.
Mhm.
List collection elements always you can get
Yes, cricket
the
method.
get method, collection name dot get. But in the array elements you can get array name square bracket index, right? But
Yes,
here
sir.
array list elements always you will get collection name dot get of index you have to give. Okay, so this will give you the collection element. That element I am comparing with the Python. So the collection element here is Python. I am comparing with the Python. So both are same. So it will return true for you. Comparing. So AL collection first element with Python. Using equals method. B2. True, because it's a, that is the one is there, right? So these are all Boolean methods. So let's see that next to methods we need is add all method with index. Add all method with index, okay? Int index collection C. Collection C adds all the specified elements at
The collection.
given index. Given index. The index place it will add. Now I'm going to give add all. So this one I'm using. 0 index I'm adding. So 0 index you have already Python, but I'm replacing this one with my collection of elements. Let's see. So I'll use arrays dot as list. Okay, you can use list dot off also. Both you remember that now people are mostly using list dot off. Even you can use arrays dot as list method also. So okay, so these are the all the elements we specified. Now what will happen? All these elements will go and store in the first place. Python will move to last.
By the last place.
Yeah, let's print this. I'll print the collection. Add all. Okay, let's execute quickly. All are added front. Last Python. Now retain all. So retain all, what it will do?
So it will get already removed collection elements from
So retains
object will be.
specified
Special salvage elements.
and the remaining will be
Remaining will be
removed from collection.
removed.
So AL dot retain all and list dot of. So let's specify some of the elements. Okay, I'll remove these three. Okay. Oh, I'll keep these three. I'll keep these four. Right, like this I'll mention. So let's print retain okay, see that only specified one is returning. Next, So how can you iterate? So iterate the collection elements using iterator method. So how to do that?
Iterator it equal to
Okay, it equal to
Equal to
is
al dot.
equals to L dot create
So while it dot has next
hash next
and print. If you
system
want to
dot
print the value,
it
print it.
next.
It dot next will print it. So it variable, what value is there, that will print the next method. Okay, just fetching is fetching the value for you, getting the value for you. That's the this iterator method. So quickly finish for each loop also. See that it printed all of them, right? Let's use for each loop also. For each loop, you know already, right? For if you
Yes.
don't know the data type of collection, if you create a non-generic data type, object is the data type of your collection. Okay, remember that.
Okay, sir.
A
Out AL, L,
A.
AL.
So A is the element. I'm just giving one.
Element variable. Yes, yes.
Otherwise, you put EL. So you can put EL. You can print it. Okay. This is the another one. So next one, for loop. So int I equal to 0, I less than al dot size
L dot size
plus
I
plus.
plus plus.
So simply, but you have to call here al dot get of what is the index number here?
Index number AL size.
What is the index here?
Ice.
I. Always this the index based method means I is the index. You need to pass for get method always the variable you need to pass. Remember that this is the very special here. So already we did in the array. Why are you forgetting this? So we did so many programs, right, in the array.
Yes,
Always
sir.
index based, the I value will come there. So that's the one. Last method is, see, clear method. So why I put a clear method? It will clear everything. That's
Everything
why.
from the collection.
So clear all the elements
From the collection.
from collection. That's why I'm using last clear. No more elements. If you see that, if any elements are there or not, you can see that. After clear. So nothing will be there. 0. Okay. You got 0 elements and empty array. So this is all the methods you practice. Same thing is there in this here. See, you first create an array, you just add the colors, some of the colors, but all are string type collection you create. Print out all of them. So write a Java program.
We want to use a generic, sir.
Yeah, generics. You have to
Yeah.
use generics. String type is generics, right? Yeah,
Okay, sir.
one type it is asking to type. So just put here generics. That's it.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. I understood.
So creation time only, you will just add angular brackets here
Yes, sir.
like this. Okay, that's the thing you will do. On the right hand side also you will put this one.
We need
We
to
will
do
put it space
data
between.
type as string.
That's it. Okay. So
Okay,
I'll
sir.
show you other programs, the generics. But yeah, for you, this is the exercise I am giving. All these questions you need to answer. Write a Java program to iterate through all elements. Same you iterate. Second one, use so array list to iterate. So using iterator method. Java program to insert an element into the array list. You are covering here. You are adding. Okay, at the first position. You try this.
Based on the index position.
So index based method you have to use. Write a Java program to retrieve an element from the given array list. How can you retrieve?
Retain.
Okay. You need to retrieve an element. at a specified index from the array list. Array list has many elements. That elements, one element you have to retrieve, not no retaining. Understand the question. Retrieve means accessing. How can I access array
Get
list elements?
get method.
Collection name dot get method.
Get
Note
get
down.
of
If you don't know, note down and read multiple times. That's a crucial method. This one you will use multiple times. This method. So memorize multiple times that one, because this is the retrieve means you are accessing.
Getter.
Get
Okay.
method you have to call collection name dot get. That's what I did here. I retrieved this
yes,
element.
access means only we can get through
Ah.
get method.
Only get method it will retrieve for you. So Java to update specific array list by given element. So you can update by adding one more element, right? Write a Java program to remove the third element. Third element you have to remove. Write a Java program to search. Search means which element, which method you need to use.
Mm.
Contains.
Kinds.
Yes, sir. Contains. Yeah.
Write a Java program to sort. Use the sort method. Array list dot sort method. Write a Java program to copy one array list into another. So that's again for loops you have to use. I told this in the array. Same you need to use for array list also. Write a Java program to empty an array list. How you can empty the array list?
Is empty method.
It's clear.
You need to empty the array list,
Clear,
man,
sir.
not checking. Here
Okay, so clear method, sir.
Clear, sir. Clear, sir.
clear method, and here you can see check whether your
Okay.
array list is empty or not.
Is
Testing.
empty or not? Is empty
Oh.
method.
So
sir.
these are the, again, right? I'll put all these things there. Complete this program also. Okay. Yeah.